welcome back. It is apple season, so we are going to be making a delicious snack. These apple squares are the perfect fall dessert, so let's go ahead and get started. So we peeled and chopped 4 apples. And we're gonna toss in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, and the juice of half a lemon. Give it a mix. And we can set it aside. So now in a separate bowl, we are going to combine 1 1/4 cup of sifted flour. We have 1 teaspoon of baking powder and throw in a pinch of salt. Give it a mix and we're gonna set this aside. So now we're gonna go ahead and add 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And using our paddle attachment, we're gonna give it a mix. Now that that's combined, we're gonna add in 2 eggs and mix again. All right, and now we're gonna slowly add in our dry ingredients. And this is perfect. So we prepared a 14 by 4 pan, and we're gonna go ahead and add a thin layer of our batter. And now we're adding in our apples, and make sure to save some for the top layer. And now add in the rest of the batter. And top it off with the apples that we reserved. All right, our cake is ready and it bakes for 50 minutes. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed our easy and delicious apple squares recipe. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and hit the notification bell. We'll see you next time.